Hello everyone, welcome back to Arthadoot. Today we're back with another video on how to check IPO allotment status. Now if you're someone who have applied for Root Mobile or Happiest Mind Technologies IPO, you must be very eager to know whether you got an allotment or not in these IPOs. So don't worry, we have got this covered at Arthadoot. To check the allotment status, you have got two ways. First is to go to BSE's site and second is to go to the registrar's site. Okay, so first come to BSE's site. What you can do is directly go to Google and search BSE IPO allotment status and you can click on the first link out there. Now you have to just go and fill up this form. If you applied for Happiest Mind Technologies or Root Mobile, you can just click on equity because it's equity. Then next name of issue. So here we have got two names as of now because these are the two open issues. You can click on Happiest Mind Technologies, suppose if you applied for that. And now all you have to do is put in your application number and PAN number. So you may have a question how you will get the application number. For that you can just check the email from your broker. There will be a long application number and you can just copy it and put it here. The next required mandatory field is the PAN number. You can just enter your PAN number and then click on search. Now as of now, if I search this won't come up. Why? The reason is the allotment status is not yet out. It will be out on 15th or 14th. Sorry for me being unsure. So after that you can just go to this site and enter your necessary details and check it. So this link I'll be putting down in the description. You can just click and directly go to this site and search for it. So this was the first way, that is going through BSE's website. So what is the second way? The second way is to go to the registrar's website. So the question is, who is the registrar for these two IPOs? The registrar for these two IPOs is KFintech. So you can just go to Google and search KFintech IPO allotment status, and here you can hit the first link and go to the website of KFintech. So now all you have to do is select the IPO and then enter the application number or DPID client ID or the PAN number. So if I search here for Happiest Mind Technologies, I won't get the option because the allotment status is not yet out. So if I enter suppose for example any random thing, and then I have three options going through application number, that is same in this case, or you can just enter your DPID client ID. You can go to your broker's website and check in your profile, you will get these details, or you can enter your PAN number. You can just go through your documents and get your PAN number, and that's how your whole thing will be done. So I hope the way is clear. I'll put these two links down in the description. You can just go hit that link and search and get to know whether you got an allotment or not for these IPOs. So thank you for watching. Let us know in the comment box if you have any more questions. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.